Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm gonna do the alternator wire on the truck. I'm gonna hook up the alternator so I can see how much voltage I have on the gauge. It's not connected. All right, guys, we're gonna see what we get into. We're gonna see if the wipers works. I've never turned it because it hurts the hand when you turn it like that.
Just turn the key on.
Please work, baby. Oh, fucking A, baby. Thank you, Jesus. The wipers work, guys. I don't even need a damn motor. That's slow. That's fucking awesome. Are you amazed? Are you surprised?
And then the lights.
He doesn't say nothing. She's saying nothing.
Well, I'm trying to figure out where you can buy these knobs from.
What? We came to Lowe's, guys. Look at these barbecue pits. They're $100. It's not bad. Just put a tarp on it. It'll last. We're looking at some thin copper sheeting to make a gasket for the axle. And we're gonna see if they have it. He disappears. Maybe right here? Nope. Yeah, guys, we're here. Actually, I don't know what he's looking for, but we are looking for those copper sheets. Like a 12 by 12. It's like a thin paper copper sheet. Oh my goodness. Where would he have gone? Let's see. There he is. These are the sheets.
They're the ones I was telling you about.
With this rust?
It's aluminum, ain't it, rust?
Oh, I don't know.
A little oxidized, but not rust. You put the thing there, make your pattern, cut it out.
How much is it?
$10, $11.
Yeah, okay. I'm gonna come get that on Friday. That's what we need, guys. Model. What's that? Mode item number. There we go. Ooh, I feel like going to New York. Ooh, they got these here too. They got all kinds of stuff, man. Rubbers and little knobs. Man, look at all these tools. Oh, this is what I want. Wait, no, not Craftsman. I want Milwaukee. Where's Milwaukee at? This is good too. Portal cable is good too. Oh, Craftsman. They don't got Milwaukee anymore? What kind of crazy contraption is this? Why don't they have Excuse me, do you have any Milwaukee drills anymore? Or you guys don't carry that?
No, I think it's a competition with us.
It's a good damn drill.
It is? Really?
Oh yeah, it's better than all these drills. Really? That's why they don't sell it. See, they don't take them all out. See? They don't sell Milwaukee, guys, because they don't take up all these little drills out. And it costs more. So, brass, steel. Why not use this one, Uncle?
Aluminum is just as good.
This is more expensive?
Yep.
How much more?
$4.50 a piece.
But it's gonna last longer.
It lasts the same.
Someone's gonna comment down below and say like, no, that's not true, sir. Huh? You don't care?
I don't give a shit what people say. I do whatever the fuck I want.
Check out the shop vacs. Oh, look at this chrome one, guys. $100, $100, not bad. Oh, that's cool. Whoa, 180, 200 bucks. Hitch stuff. Oh, they got the battery chargers over here. Should get one of these for my truck. This one has everything on it. One of these days, I'll get me this one right here with everything on it. That'd be super sweet.
That's a good brand up there.
Oh yeah? Ooh, pipe benders. That's cool. You're trying to make a little knob. Well, I order the little knob from LMC whenever that happens, because that's like an excess. That's like, I need it, but I don't need it. But I need it. Like the lights I can pull out, but the wiper I can't turn. Maybe I can put one of these in there. Zip ties. Wow, they got stuff. I forgot how much things Lowe's. Much stuff Lowe's has. Whoa, those are cool. Wire cutters.
Roman 222.
What are you looking at? Oh, the ground. For the alternator. We have to ground the alternator. Wire to the alternator, no?
Nope. Not what I'm looking for.
Guys, I found the knives, and I really like this one. So bad. 50 bucks for that sucker. Look at this 24-inch crescent wrench. This is what I would need to cut that copper sheets for the gasket. 24 bucks. 25 with tax. Put it back, Uncle. Put it back right so people can see it. Be like, ooh. What is this? Key. Copy keys. We're trying to look for a knob, guys, to fix the knob on the wipers. And Friday, today is Wednesday or Tuesday. I think today's Wednesday. I don't even know if I think it's Wednesday. Friday, I'm gonna get all that stuff that I showed you guys because I don't got the cash right now. So we're leaving and we're gonna go back to see if we can connect the alternator switch. All right, guys, we're gonna attempt to connect the alternator. Attempt. Oh, shit's. Yeah, it's fine. Shit's old. Oh man. I need to get the fan. There's this little industrial fan in the storage. My mom's gonna bring it. So the motor works, guys, for the wipers.
The wipers and motor right there.
Check it out. You thought it was gonna be? Is it kind of hard to get to, or no? Or you thought it was, or?
I'm going from the bottom, yeah.
But you can go through there, right? Why is this? That's why it's crooked.
Cracked.
Oh, and that sucks, cause that's part of the air conditioner, right? I can maybe glue it. Yeah, I want to try to glue that, guys. What else is holding it? Or it's just hardly in there. It's just like pushed in there.
Are you serious? A little piece broke off.
It's wedged in there. They wedged it in there.
No.
It's not wedged in there. Then there's something in the back.
That's why I hate messing with the dashboards. Every time I mess with them, something always breaks.
Ah, it's okay if you break it. It's the cable in the back, right? What do you need? Pliers? Oh, it's loose.
Well, it's not loose.
I feel it. All right, guys. I don't know if you guys can see, but whatever's back there, we need to unhook it. I don't know if you guys can see that. So that's what we're trying to figure out right now. Pulling out wires that not supposed to be there, guys, and we found this wire that wasn't supposed to be there. Could have shorted out some other stuff.
All that right there.
It's shorting.
No. Whoever put it on scarred up the sheathing on it, the insulation, or the wire, and maybe not right now, but I'm sure it would have started something.
Wow.
It was there, but not connected to anything. So this is the wrong type of wire to be using here.
Yeah, that's wire for like a building, huh?
Yep.
That is 0.185.
Yeah, this right here.
The button.
0.185, and I'll tell you right now what it is.
What about the one next to it? Check the inside,
Well,
guys.
this one's triangle, so
How weird it is inside, huh? If you guys want to see, I don't know. What is that, 360? Oh, you were taking it off. So the gauge is removed. Did we hook up the lights to that one too?
yeah,
Oh, they're all hooked up.
they're all hooked up right here.
Oh, okay. It's gonna shock me. Yeah, do it again. Take it off and do it again. Bang. Bang. Hey, I'm supposed to have like 18.
No.
Yes. 12 only.
11 and a half.
What? Next step.
I wonder if they sell them connectors.
They go in the back to connect those.
Yeah, just the ones that slide over.
And if they do, those would be, they would sell them where?
I'm not even sure.
For the dash, for the cluster, I could put these in the, well, I don't know about these, but I could put something like this in the back of the clusters, lights. And we are looking for something that'll go over those.
Yeah.
If they have them. Ooh, they got those clamps, freeze plugs. Okay, little horn. Yeah, little tester. That's cool. Look at all these buttons. Maybe just take off that button, put one of these buttons. Fuck it.
Hold on, what?
Button for the windshield.
No. What button? What are you talking about?
Button instead of turning it. Button. No? Button's better or what? But instead of a turn knob, you can put a button for the wipers. You just gotta snip wires. Oh, you're looking for these to screw in the back? I mean these. Do we need wire too? Yeah, we're looking for the parts for the alternator, guys, so we can connect the little gauge in the back. Hey, what's up, guys? Uncle already left. We couldn't find these connectors that go in the back. It's a little tube that connects right here for more contacts, not more contact, but more installation. And we couldn't find those. And we also couldn't find the eye hole ones, and it was an 8 gauge. They didn't have 8 gauge, so we couldn't even find that either. So my uncle's gonna look around. Today's Wednesday. This is gonna go up today, and we're gonna try to find those. And once we find those, then we'll hook it up and everything. And the damn wipers work, guys. I need to go to LMC and see how much the button is. That's awesome. Yeah, but thank God it works. So many times, guys, I had to go somewhere and it didn't work. Well, I thought it didn't work because I couldn't turn it. It was super hard. I used a pair of pliers and it worked, like we just showed you. So that's cool. I just got to get that knob now in LMC or National Parts Depot, whoever has it. And that's it, guys. Right now I'm gonna go upload the video. It's gonna be 3 in like 15 minutes, so I'm gonna take off right now.